Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from Airtable to Hasura, full guide step by step clearly. Open Airtable and locate the base containing the data you want to transfer. Click on the base to open it. In the top right corner, select the Share button. In the sharing options, choose Download CSV. This will download the current table as a CSV file. Next, navigate to your local file explorer and locate the downloaded CSV file. Open Hasura and log into your dashboard. In the left sidebar, find the Data tab and click on it. Select the database where you want to import the data. Click on the Import button, usually located at the top right. Choose CSV from the options presented. Find and select the CSV file you downloaded from Airtable. Adjust the import settings as necessary to match your database schema. Ensure that the column names in the CSV align correctly with the database fields. Once everything is set, click on the Import button to start the process. Wait for the import to finish. This may take a few moments depending on the data size. After the import is completed, verify that all records have been transferred correctly. Navigate back to the Data tab to check your new records. If needed, test the imported data through Hasura's GraphQL API for validation. Make any necessary adjustments to your data model in Hasura based on the import. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your data from Airtable to Hasura. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.